Hey guys, it's Cole out here at CNR with Chan today, and Chan's going to show you guys a cool new product we have. Chan, take it away.
I'm so excited. You guys, everybody needs one of these. Even I do. And this is a SEARPRO, and we have it for a great price point. It's on our Christmas advertisement. So it's $59.67 in the store, and then it's an additional 10% off. This is the coolest little item. I'm going to show you how easy it is to work. All you do is you turn on your propane tank, you turn the top like you would your stove. One click, bam. So on the box it tells you can cook a steak with it, you can light fires with it.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Crazy that was. No matches, no gas. Look at that.
We also wanted to say that they're $59.67, is that correct?
Correct. And then 10% on the holiday ad. So they're even better priced. They're even better priced than Amazon.
You don't have to shop online for them. You can just come in here.
Come visit us in the store. Or if you want to cook with them, we have some items out here today.
Oh yeah. Come get some hot dogs. What hot dogs are those?
Just the big jumbo beef franks. Look at that. Yes.
That thing is good. I'm impressed. This is our first take actually. First time ever using it.
Starting fires, cooking lunch. See how quick and easy that is. Let's try this out on a marshmallow, yeah? Oh, I got one for the burnt offering s'more eater and one for the golden brown s'more eater. Oh.
Can they?
Yes. The perfect s'more.
Come in and check out the SEARPRO.